But yeah, so I got 2 pieces left to put up for the metal. But I'll throw those up there real quick, and then start in on the back wall framing if I have enough time before I have to get the kids from school. So let's jump into it again.
Good morning, friends. So now we gotta put up the temporary wall. Yes, it will be temporary. I know how sometimes temporary becomes temporarily permanent, but we're not gonna have that option. First of all, it wouldn't pass the building inspection. So no matter what, it's coming down for the final inspection. And then we'll be starting in on the expansion come the spring. And that's where we're going to house the pigs. I'll show you in a video coming up of how far out we plan on taking the expansion and what it'll roughly be looking like. I'm going to have to rough sketch something and figure out exactly how I'm going to want it laid out. I'll probably just repurpose all these boards that we currently have. I mean, they are only 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch. I don't know, they're really thin boards. Just bought them because they were discounted. So the way we're doing these is basically the same as the walls. The only difference is I'm not going to have all the girts up. So on this, I had to splice a lot of the boards together because they weren't quite long enough, and there was no sense in buying additional lumber when I had scrap lumber laying around, and this is just a temporary wall. What we did for this temporary wall was just to strap some boards together. To make them long enough, we just spliced them together. I'm not gonna go spend extra money on lumber I didn't need. This is all leftover lumber too from all the shipping. So this is all leftover lumber from when they shipped the material to us. And that's what it came on, was a bunch of 2x6s and 2x4s. So I had to find ones that were at length and kind of made them work, get them across, just to bridge that gap. All I'm doing is the easiest way I can to basically block out the wind. So I could try and do some stuff in there this winter. And it's nice having a windbreak. I know it's not going to be airtight. I didn't make it to be. Now, I probably should have just screwed a temporary board onto the front of these for the next row up. It would have made it so much easier when I did that, rather than trying to hold it at an angle onto the sheet below it. I could have just slapped up a small 2x4, something to rest it on while I got it all done. I wasn't thinking that much on it. I should have thought it through a little bit better, but it's over, it's done.
What'd you find? Did you find a bone? Did you find a bone? Is that your piggy bone? Bring it here. Lexi, bring it. Yeah, bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Let's see what you got. Come on, bring it here. Lexi, come. What'd you find?
Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your family, and we'll see you next time.